Put my chick inside some Louis and some Valentino. Put my bro inside some Gucci and some Moschino. They want my money like it's a casino.
So, what's this for and what's that?
So this is basically my Huawei Cube, which is basically my internet connection, and this just plugs into it. But I'm finding that, like, obviously this is like still everywhere, so the connection's not great. So I just use my phone to connect to the internet and then use that to basically work off of everything.
So then, with your orders, how do you do that? What's the process for that?
So I use Click and Drop, which is basically Royal Mail, which integrates with eBay. And then, as you can see, like, I'm just like doing tick boxes and ticking the orders, and then it will like dispatch all of them as a bulk rather than me going and doing one by one.
Oh, so when you go into the Royal Mail, you just drop your stuff and they already know.
Yeah. Well, I don't even have to drop it. We can do it. So I just go to like a parcel box and I just slot the stuff in, but we can go and actually like physically do it. It's not long at all.
Okay.
It's like 5-10 minute drive.
Would you say you spending most of your day doing this, or is this just a little quick?
To be honest, eBay isn't as big.
As the Amazon side.
Yeah, so literally I'll do like a few orders. It'll be done. I'll go about my day, then go onto Amazon straight away. So I'll just get these bits out of the way and then jump straight onto Amazon. As you can see, like, I'm on probably, so we've only got 15 orders to do and we're done.
Oh, nice.
And then I'll just go to the parcel box, drop them off. Majority of the reason why it's probably not is because I haven't had time to list all of these stuff. So majority of the things in here are not even listed online. Just because it's just too much for one person to do.
Yeah, in terms of actually growing the business as well, I was wondering, so would you say outsourcing and employing people is the best way to be able to grow and be able to make more money and also make yourself, like, your time a lot more easier?
Yeah, I think if I had someone doing like these tedious bits, I could be focusing on like projects that will bring me higher revenue, more money. Like, I don't want to be doing the CEO work plus the picker work plus the warehouse work plus the accepted deliveries plus the sourcing. Like, I literally need to get someone to just do these little tedious bits, do the little delivery runs, and I can then be doing something else which is like more fun.
Literally. What would you say is the most fun bit, like, when it comes to Amazon? Is it finding the products? What would you say is the funnest? Oh, the money. You get the money.
No brainer.
Just making sales.
Making the sales. Obviously, sourcing I enjoy. I'm someone where, like, literally I'll be sitting there, I'll be on my phone and I'll be sourcing. Like, I do it as a hobby.
Oh, just chilling.
It's literally a hobby. Because I do it from my phone. I think people complicate. I'll watch a movie and be sourcing on my phone. Like, it's genuinely a hobby for me. It's not something where it's like, oh my god, I have to source.
It's integrated into your lifestyle.
So it's like, even if I'm not buying anything, I'm still gonna source and be like, oh, that's nice. Should I get it? Do my due diligence? No, I don't want it. Like, it's just something that I just have incorporated into my life. And it's even for me to even have someone, because eventually you're gonna have to get a buyer, someone who's gonna go and buy and sort the stock for you. I'm like, how am I gonna do that?
Yeah, that's true.
But in order to go on holiday, in order to enjoy the money, in order to actually like get married, have kids, be an actual like mother, or step out of this, I'm gonna have to let go at some stage and just say, okay, you do the sourcing, you do this, here's the bank account, use this card, buy the stock. But the first stage for me is literally getting someone in to do the orders, ship it off. After that's done, then the rest will get a bit easier. One thing I was literally thinking to do was Kickstart program. And with the Kickstart program, that's literally getting a member of staff essentially for free, who will basically just come in and work and do.
But you're also giving them gems, you're teaching them how to. That makes sense. No, definitely.
Well, you literally, it's basically what you're doing is like people who are on job seekers allowance, or they're on some type of benefit. The council want them out of work, so they'll basically employ them in here, give them a placement for 6 months. You pay nothing. And then after the 6 months, they obviously want you to employ them full time, but it's down to you whether you want to do that. But it's just a way to get a staff member for free.
There you go, little gems just like that. Wow, I was even thinking, that's great.
The issue with getting someone and giving them gems is they will then use those gems
and they'll run off whenever.
Yeah, they're not going to stay. So as much as you want to give people opportunities like that, that's not you're growing an entrepreneur rather than actually growing an employee. And you want to grow an employee.
Yeah, that's the thing. Also, you couldn't even get anyone that follows you because they have the same mindset as you.
Yeah, so you can't have someone who's an entrepreneur. You can't have someone who's like me and you, because then they're going to say, yeah, let me work for her for free, get all the knowledge, and then go. Whereas I want someone who sees longevity. I want them to be here for years, so that will allow me to go off and do what I want. I don't have to be constantly retraining people to do the process. So
definitely.
it don't work.
Yeah, man.
Definitely don't work.